Welcome to this exciting online course on Sage Business Cloud Accounting Software. In today's fast-paced and increasingly digital world, effective financial management is crucial for the success of any business. Sage Business Cloud Accounting is here to help streamline your financial processes, simplify your bookkeeping, and empower you with the tools you need to make informed decisions. Whether you are a small business owner, an accountant, or someone looking to enhance their proficiency in financial management, this course has been tailored to meet your needs. Throughout this course, we will cover a comprehensive range of topics to ensure you become proficient in using Sage Business Cloud Accounting. Here's a brief overview what you can expect to learn. Registration. We'll begin by guiding you through the process of registering for Sage Business Cloud Accounting. This step is essential as it lays the foundation for your entire financial management journey. System setup. Next, we will dive into the system setup. You will learn how to configure your Sage Business Cloud Accounting software to align with your business's unique needs and preferences. This includes setting up your company information, fiscal year settings, and much more. Master file creation. Creating master files is a critical aspect of any accounting system. You will discover how to efficiently set up essential master files such as customer records, supplier details, inventory items, accounts, and banks. This will ensure that your system is well organized and ready to manage your financial data effectively. Transaction entry. With your master files in place, you will explore how to enter various types of transactions. Whether it's recording sales, purchases, or expenses, you will learn the ins and outs of accurately documenting financial transactions in Sage Business Cloud Accounting. Report generation. Understanding a business's financial health requires the ability to generate meaningful reports. We will guide you through the process of generating a wide array of reports, helping you gain insights into your business's performance, cash flow, and more. User access permissions. In a collaborative business environment, security and control are paramount. You will learn how to set up user access permissions, ensuring that sensitive financial information is accessible only to those who need it, while maintaining the integrity of your financial data. But wait, there's more. Our commitment to interactive learning means that we won't simply be delivering information. We will be immersing you in real-world examples, conducting quizzes to reinforce your understanding, and assigning practical tasks to solidify your skills. This way, you will be ready to confidently navigate the challenges of real accounting scenarios. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge and skills to harness the full potential of Sage Business Cloud Accounting software. Whether you are a small business owner looking to manage your finances more efficiently or a professional seeking to expand your accounting expertise, this course will equip you with the tools you need to succeed. So, let's embark on this journey of financial empowerment together. Get ready to discover the power of Sage Business Cloud Accounting software, starting with the basics and progressing to advanced techniques that will help you make informed financial decisions and drive the success of your business. Let's get started.